How do you change the ringtone volume on your iPhone 16e? To do that, simply go in the settings. From here, go down and you should get to sound and haptics, this option over here. Tap on it and here you get ringtone and alerts and a slider. By sliding up and down, you can change how loud your ringtone and the alert at the same time will be. If you don't want every time to go back in this menu because it's annoying, you can select change with buttons. So if I select change with buttons, it says over here, the volume buttons can be used to adjust the volume of the ringtone and alerts. So now if I go back and I don't know, during the day, I want my ringtone to be very loud because I'm expecting an important call. By pressing the volume buttons, the regular one of your iPhone, you see, it's the ringer that will change fur. To adjust the volume of the iPhone, okay, so I can set, let's say I can set the ringer to the maximum, but the volume of the iPhone will not be at the maximum. You will have to go back here and change it manually every time you want to change. Let's say you're watching a show or, I don't know, listening to music. You have to go back over here and change it manually with your finger because these buttons will only be used for the ringtone volume and not the system volume. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.